Alright, here we are downstairs in the basement. There's my 350 bucks right there. The return, 8-inch return. Ooh, that was tough. They ran it right there, right underneath the insulation. That's fine. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa, wait a minute. Huh. Oh, he did it. He went ahead and put, what is that? Hang on. He might have done what I said, what I requested, and put an extra supply. How about that? Because here's what we originally got right here. And you know, what size is it? I think that's, what is that? I think that's 6 and a 4. Yeah, there's a 4. So the 6, that's all we had. And then a 4 over here for the closet. That's fine. See how we got the insulation right here? Could change colors. Why? Don't know why it's a different color, and this is faced. And here's your water. I mean, are they gonna put this inside the wall? They gotta have something like a, oh, there's an access panel right here, surely, to hold your 2 mains. And this one just goes back to the spigot. This just goes to a spigot in the back. And this is the actual house main for all the water and for the entire house right here. Going up. I don't know what type fitting those are, but I'll figure that one out later. So R30 might be R30. It looks pretty damn thick. So they actually gave me an extra supply like I asked. I think I asked for one, and Sandy said I was always going to get a return, but I think they gave me a supply too, like I'd asked, for 300. So that makes that 300. That's 6 inch. See right there? 6 inch goes up underneath. Yeah, that's what Bruce said. You need a 6 inch supply, an extra 6 inch supply for the bedroom, and just an 8-inch return. We had no return at all, which is right here now. So they did exactly what I asked for $350. Okay, that makes me feel better. There, it just comes right there, and then the air handler's right there. And here's the only return we had. Oh, this thing's massive. It looks like a dinosaur. All right, got it hung right here. That's the only turn we got. But now we got one. We got it situated now. All right. Got her insulated. Look at all that sheetrock. Light. Lift light. Never 54 inches. Damn, that's a bunch of weight. They're moving right along, guys. Got a little crazy with the stuff there. Hey, moving right along. Is that a little window? Cute little window. What to be this? Phone line? What is it doing out the side of the, what's it doing at the side of the window? Don't know. I don't know. That's, Switch. The electricians are doing a fine job. And then I have to do my Smurf. I don't need no Smurf. They didn't put it in. Thank you very much. Don't have to pay that $300 for the Smurf, which I can just run it right down through there, down below, and it's just a tube with nothing in it that you run wire through. I guess Connie left me. She's probably out there bored. So I got to wrap this up pretty quick. Anyway, Anything you can see that I can't see? This shower. It's cooler down here. I mean, that might have been why they said you don't need that much more, but hey, look, guess what? There ain't no ductwork over here in the shop. You know, damn, look at all the sheetrock down here. Does it take that much sheetrock? I guess when they put in double ceiling, I mean, you know, yep, they say they run the extra, the tie. Yeah, they use their original, and there's a return. I bet he wasn't too happy about that. See, there's a return initially out the side, so yeah, it's all that, you know, added on right here, which is no big deal. I mean, okay, well, you had to do a little work. There it goes. Supply. No, it's return. Let's return. And then he had to add extra. There's the extra one there. Can you read what that says? Oh, that's a 10. Well, let's see. This is one here. And there. Domestic that. Get out of domestic on that one. It bends right there. Okay, that's right. Here's my filter. What kind of filter we got? There's no filter right. Oh, he got me. Hey, temporary fiberglass. And it's going to be whatever it is. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so yeah, I have no supply and return in here, so that'll be an easy trick because it's all unfinished. And you know, you drill a hole here and a pipe up through here and take it over to the other side of the shop, and you have it like in here and shooting down. The other would be a return, which is in the bottom, and you could just have it come out probably the back, and just, I mean, you can just have it. I guess you should get it out of the air handler room, just up here or something. That'll be later. So anyway, okay.